Hello friends! In this lesson, we will be learning what geometrical shapes are and how it is used in Cubism. As shared previously, in Cubism, the artist opts to break up objects and reassemble them in abstract and geometric form whereby the shape is more important than color, and figures and objects are often depicted as flat rectangles or triangles. Do you know what geometric shapes are? Here are some examples of geometric shapes. Do you know how to draw these shapes? Circle, oval, triangle, square, rectangle. Now you try. Have fun!
If you like the video, there's a lot more on KiQS.co where you can access hundreds of interactive learning videos.